Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to set up your Facebook Business Manager account, how to add more people to your business, and what is the benefit of setting up a business manager instead of an ads account. So to start, go to business.facebook.com/create and you land on this page. Click create account, enter the business name, it can be anything. Your personal name, your business email. If you don't have a business email, you can use your personal email. Once you click the submit button, you will land on this page. You will receive an email like this. Please confirm your email address. Please click the link below to confirm that your address should be updated to this. Click on confirm now, and once you confirm, you will land on this page. Now your business manager is set up. You need to change the settings to give access to more people. Okay, the first thing you need to do is move all of your assets, Facebook pages, ads accounts to this business manager. So click on pages. Click on add a page. If you are already admin on a Facebook page, you should click this option. If you are requesting access to your partners page, click on this option, or you can create a new page. So just before making this video, I created a new page. I'll show you how to add your page to the business manager. Click on add a page, type your Facebook page name. I created a page testing. Click on add page. It will be added to your business manager. Then you need to do the same thing for add accounts. Click on add account. Either you can add an ad account, request access, or create a new ad account. I created a new ad account, and you just need to click this button, enter your Facebook ads account ID. To grab your Facebook ads account ID, you need to type facebook.com/ads/manage. There are multiple ways to grab your ads account ID, but I am showing you the easiest way. So it will open your ads account. Here is your ads account ID. You can copy it from here, or you can click on your URL bar. Here is your ads account ID. You can also copy it from here. Paste your ads account ID, click on add an ad account, and you are done. In my case, it will not work because I still need to add my payment method to this ads account, which I haven't done, but you just need to click this button and it will be moved. You can do the same for Instagram accounts, WhatsApp accounts, anything you have. Then you need to go to data sources, create any new pixels for your business. If you don't have one, create one. You can name it anything you want. Either you can enter your website or not, that is also optional. Click continue and your pixel will be added. So let me do a small test here. Branding Bytes US test. Continue. The important thing to note here is that you can never delete a pixel. You can deactivate it, you can not use it, but it will remain here for the lifetime. So don't create test pixels just like me. Then you need to go to business payment methods. You can add a payment method to your business manager account. Once the payment method is added, you don't need to do it manually for all the ad accounts. If you have like 20 ad accounts, you just need to go to ad accounts, billing, payment settings, and select the payment option directly from the business manager. This is one of the benefits of having a business manager. Then go to business info, fill out all these details, and once you have filled these details, click on view details. Click add another admin. In case you want to verify your business manager, you need to have 2 admins. So add an admin. It can be your friend, family member, your colleague. Then when you meet all the conditions, this start verification icon will turn blue. Click on start verification. It can take up to 14 days to get your business manager verified. Even if your business manager is not verified, you can do everything. I am using few business managers from last 5 years which are not verified. There is no problem at all. But in case you want it to be verified, you need to have 2 admins. The next step is to add more people and agencies to work on your business. To start, let's add a person to our business manager. Click on people, click add, enter the email address of the person with whom you want to share the access of your business manager. You have 2 options, employee access and admin access. Admins have full control over your business. They can edit settings, people, account and tools. In most cases you will go in employee access, and that is what I am doing. Employee access, turn on, click next. From here you can select all the assets you want to share with that person. Click on pages, select all the pages you want to give access to. All of the pages connected to the business manager will appear here. Click on the page name, select the relevant access, publish content, create ads, whatever you want. Let's do create ads here. Click on, then you need to select add accounts. All of your ad accounts will appear here. You need to select as many of them as you want. Select the relevant access just like we did for pages. Then do the same for catalogs, apps if you have, and then click invite. The person will receive an email, and once he accepts your invitation, he can start working on your account. Same way we can add partners. Click on partners, click add, enter the business ID. For partners you need a business ID. I have already copied it, so I am pasting it here. Click next, and then you will get all the options just like we added that for an individual. Click on pages, select all the pages, select relevant access, repeat for ad accounts, catalogs. Then when you have selected all of your assets, click on save changes. If you want to remove an asset shared with a person or an agency, click on partners, the agency name. If you have more than one agencies as partners, the list will appear here. Select on the agency's name. All of the assets which you have shared with that agency will appear here, just like this one, pages. So if you want to remove access to this page, click on delete. Now, although this agency is my partner, but still this agency cannot access my Facebook page testing because I have removed the access. Click on people, select the person. All the assets will appear here. You can remove the assets, or if you want to assign more assets to the same person, click on add assets. Again the same list will appear. You need to select more assets, click on save changes. If you have added someone as an admin instead of an employee, they can assign or delete assets themselves. So that is the added advantage of adding as an admin, but that is less secure. So we go with employee option. If you want to know how to grab the business partner ID, in case you want to share your own business partner ID with someone, scroll down to the bottom, click on business info, and here is your business ID. You can share this business ID with anyone if you want to get access to their assets or work on their business manager. That's all for today. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.